Hello, Zion.
Hello.
It's Mommy's first day at work.
Ay, work, Mama.
Hey, first day nga ng work ni Mommy eh.
No.
2 nights lang naman and then off na.
No.
Love you.
Love you.
Wish Mommy luck. Good luck.
Mommy, can I tie
God
this?
bless.
Madami yung nag-e-exit dyan.
So, we're at Brandmore apartment. Yeah, so we're gonna get school supplies.
Hi.
Hey. Okay, what do you want? What will you say?
Joseph,
Hi.
Come on, go there.
Zion, are you going to go to school this year?
Yeah, say yes.
Do you have a backpack?
No.
Do you want to get a backpack?
No.
Okay, fair enough. Do you want anything? I can go. I have more crayons. I have pencil sharpeners.
Look at this selection. So they have cute backpacks.
I have folders and glue sticks. And I have these cool erasers, which come in all the different shapes.
Whoa.
I know. Does anything look cool?
Wait,
You can put it here, anak. You don't have bag yet.
Wait, is it the same as the source?
Okay.
And I choose the green one.
You want the green notebook? Okay, definitely. And then do you need a folder to keep some of your stuff in?
Yeah.
Okay, what color folder do you want?
Green.
Green. Is green your favorite color?
Yeah.
Well, let's get you a glue stick too. And then do you want to pick out a cool eraser?
I choose. Oh, it's super cute.
It is super cute. It's a cute little doggy. All right, perfect.
It's so
Look at
heavy.
him
It is so heavy. Well,
doing his grocery. Oh, yeah.
you
Shopping.
want to get some snacks before you
What
go?
about snacks?
I don't have any candy, but we can get some. Is there anything he can't have, Mom?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
I'm not really.
Do you want a juice
Strict.
box?
Yeah.
Okay, here, I'll show you what I got. So
Whoa.
you can make your choices. Which one do you want? Do you want 1 or 2 or you want this one? Okay. Here, we'll put that in there. You want a juice box?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. All right. Do you want any fruit snacks or some Cheez-Its?
This.
This one?
I'll say thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, we'll close it, anak. Show me, show me. Show me, show mommy. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. You say thank you.
Well, first in a star, I have a star and I have a.
So what's in your bag?
Oh, that's my bag. And I have a star. Oh, in my hair.
What's in your bag?
Yeah. It's right here.
Okay, show them. Naman, binagsak na.
Oh, where is it? Where is it? Oh,
What's
there's.
inside?
Oh, here. Oh, I already said.
Okay.
We got this green
Folder.
folder. Where is it? Where is it? Wow!
Okay, next.
That's my book. Oh, I'm gonna fall.
And that's notebook.
Notebook.
What else?
Oh, everybody.
Oh, nag-drawing na ikaw. What else is in your bag?
Oh, there he is. Oh, it's fell.
Pencils.
Yeah, and I tangle this. It's too hard to close this.
Okay.
Where? You don't have. Oh, I found the cheetah in a rubber.
What's that?
crayon.
Crayon.
There's white, gray, brown, purple,
Oh, all purple?
and then blue, and then blue, and orange, yellow, gold, green, blue,
Okay.
white, gray,
Oh, what else?
brown, pink, red. Glue stick scissors. And also the star. There.
Wow. No more?
More. Found it. Oh, that's a eraser. Happy.
It's sharpener.
Sharpener.
No more?
I have more. No, it's too small. And I didn't use my sharpener. Okay?
Okay, that's it? No more? Say bye.
Bye.
One more.
Happy back to school.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Sorry. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Pwede kong barbecue doon.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
It's my birthday. It's my
Hi guys. We're going to Tyson's Gallery at PF Chance to celebrate my birthday. Simple lang, mga kasama lang natin galing North Dakota and family ni Diane. So, yeah, let's enjoy. Hindi ko lang na-document kanina pero nag-church na kami kay St. Lawrence. And then, natulog. Tas, ayun nga, sinurprise ako ni Nalia ng Jubel kagabi tsaka ni Mahal. So much fun for my 39th birthday. I feel so blessed. So,
Kala ko 32 ka na.
yun, yung may mga realizations din ako na i-share sa inyo guys. As we age pala.
Magawa mo muna sa ulit yan.
As we age, kailangan nating mas ingatan pa yung sarili natin. So, I'm gonna share some information to you guys later. See ya!
See ya!
Pero yung iba kami annual, may 25, may 10. Pwede na.
No.
Mommy, can you jump here?
No, I will not.
I cannot
Oh
jump.
my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's too high.
Hi.
Masipot ito. Hindi. Hi guys!
Hi, guys.
Today is August 19 and we're celebrating Tita Jubel's birthday today.
And I gotta drop all my balloons and give it to me. Hey, that's mine.
Today,
And that's my
magtitip siya sa
Fine.
Eat All You Can
Thank you. Wow, balloon.
Seafood Restaurant.
Okay, Mommy.
So, let's go! Arap na!
Bye. Oh, sorry, Miss Balloon's here.
Oh, sit down properly na.
Okay.
Bye! Say
Bye-bye.
bye!
I gotta do some malayo.
Mali, vlog mo naman kami. Grabe siya. Ay, grabe, nakakatakot naman yun.
Grabe naman yung mga kasama natin ngayon talaga.
Artistahin.
Oo, iba sila.
Mahal, video mo. Ay, si ano to? Oh. Si Johnny Depp. Picture tayo kasama. Hi, kamahal.
Stay with the man. Is it a fish?
Yeah.
I said close it.
May pating. Zialis.
Ah, yes! Nice.
Hindi siya hindi siya yung makapagtayo lang, may mema lang. Katulad nung kinain natin na pansit dawi. Nga. Panalo to. Hindi ako ganun kabuto.
It's a beautiful day.
I got my shelter. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy.
Thank you for pain.
Normal color.
Mahal, baba na kayo.
Let me see your
At mahaba ang laka rin.
It wasn't Go.
May iiyak mo yung mga diyan. May iiyak mo naman.
Dito muna. Ano muna? Rest muna, rest. Rest muna, rest. Careful. Julie. Okay, now run double punch. I'll go. And come back. Let's go. Oh, good try. Try again. You got this.
It's okay. So let's go first to Overlook 1. Oh, Ira, anong reason bakit Overlook 1 muna tayo?
Kasi mas malapit. Siyempre, dito tayo sa malapit.
Ah, mas malapit.
Di ba?
Para sure daw na may mapuntahan.
Kasi daw number 1.
Number 1 kahit wala pa naman talaga kahit isa. So yun guys, hindi ko nasabi sa inyo kanina na we drove from sa house papunta kay Janelle for 30 minutes and then another 30 minutes from Arrowhead Circle to here sa Great Falls Park. Tagal natin hindi nagkita, mahal.
Oo nga, na-miss niya agad kita.
Have you?
Yun.
Wow! Good job, baby! Ang ganda ng panahon, no? Hi, Z! Can you say hi at mommy? Grabe, hirap marating ng tuktok. Yes! Ah. It's another view.
I love you! Yung I love you, I love you! Yung I love you! I love you!
Ang bata pa may hugot na. Goodbye chocolate!
Goodbye, Poo.
Goodbye lollipop!
Goodbye, Poo Poo.
Goodbye balloons!
Goodbye, Poo Poo. I don't like balloon. I don't like chocolate. I don't like shit. I don't like poo.
Ito, we're on our way to Overlook number 2. Overlook 2 and 3. And the river trail. Dito daw yun. The Potomac Canal. Ito na ba yun? Char. Okay, let's go.
Ayun. Maglakad kayo, bibidyohan ko.
Grabe, nagkakayak siya against sa rapids.
Masarap yan, manghuhuli ng
Come on.
Ayun, ito ngayon nakikita ko na.
Mateo, stop na.
Tama na. Where do broken at your own risk talaga. Mga bouldering.
Pag-akyat.
Walang hawakan na nila.
Lalo kung makakanaba ka ito.
Okay.
Kamu na. Dito nung room ni Daddy. Dito lang sa side. Hala. Very good.
Yeah, ganda yan.
Ito naman, water na yan. Oh.
Daan na kayo mga tita. Anong trail nga to? River trail.
Si Mami, tamang video lang sa atin.
Mahal, dahan-dahan. Aba? Zion! Tingnan mo, binalikan pa yung mga tita niya. Ang taas nun, ha?
Tingnan mo yung ano mo. Parang
Bakit? Dito na kami sa baba ng Great Falls Park. At ready ang asawa ko. May dala siyang pamingwit. Dapat pala dinala ko yung ano, yung pinutol mo kanina. Pangtali sana niyan. Ayan, struggle is real. Silang tatlo. Tawa lang si Z. Z, hawakan mo yung mga tita mo. Okay. We're going home. Success. Napuntahan namin ang River Trail. Ganda. Walang sumuko kahit si Cindy sumuko. Nakakatuwa.
Mali naman. Ibang music pala ilalagay ko.
Si Sir. Muntik pang mawala ng tali. We survived! Grabe! Zion survived!
Ang galing ni siya.
Grabe naman yung trail na yun. Lalo na siguro kung yung batuhan ulit ang dinaanan natin. Oh my God.
Pero mas na-enjoy nga ni siya yung batuhan eh. Tignan mo, hindi siya nag-ano doon, nag-art-art.
Nabobore siya siguro pag yung
Oo, okay. Ayaw niya nung ano, ayaw niya nung straight lang.
kasi nakikita niya ang layo-layo pa nung lalakarin. So napapagod na siya.
Wait,